Hey everybody, this is Jamila with the Newbie Marketer. How are you today? Today I wanted to go over something with you. Earlier today I posted, um, I made a post in Facebook, and it was talking about how to, basically how people were saying that they want things for free. So I made a post about how it's not free all the time. Training is not free, and why you should actually pay for training. One thing, you pay to play. So is online marketing training free? Not really. Not really. So what you're going to get from online marketing is you're going to get some ads. And my post was about the top earners. So you see the top earners and you watch what they're doing and you want to duplicate what they're doing, right? But yeah, it's going to cost you something, okay? So I made a quick little PowerPoint for you guys, and I wanted to go over it with you, just a few things that I came up with of why it is important to pay for your online marketing training. So let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and dive in. But first, I want you to like, subscribe. You see my little hair? Okay, let's fix that. We're going to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button over in the corner to get more notifications as I send them. So let's go ahead. So online marketing training, is it really free? Well, these are some tips I came up with. Will you have to pay for something? Yeah, education is not free. Whether you pay for a top university online or on campus, you will still have to pay something. You'll have to put in the effort, same effort that you will put in at a college course, and you will still have to pay for the books. But the best thing about digital marketing training is the fact that you don't have to buy another book. You don't have to purchase the book. They're video trainings. You go through the videos and you learn something, and you are able to actually figure it out by watching the videos. So yes, you will have to pay something because number one, education is not free, right? It's not free. So let's see, why online marketing? So online marketing, you're going to see things. You're going to see the top earners. You're going to see someone that you actually resonate with, someone that you admire, someone that you've seen actually make money online, and you want to know, what are they doing? How can I do what they're doing? So then what you're going to do, you're going to click on the ad. The ads and posts have free offers, right? So you're going to get a free offer. You're going to click on that offer. You're going to say, oh, this sounds amazing. This looks amazing, but it's only, I forgot to buy y'all. It's only a snapshot of what the course really is. So does the actual course cost? Yes, it does. Sorry to tell you that, but it does. You're only going to get a little bit of like a preview of what the course is. You may gain some knowledge even from the preview, but in order to learn more, yeah, you're going to have to pay for the course. Sorry about that, you guys. I know newbie marketing coming in, you want everything free, but you cannot always have everything free. I had to learn that myself the hard way, because when I came out, I was looking for all this free stuff. How can I do this for free? How can I do this for free? Oh my God, I'm not learning. I was frustrated. I was fishing and going through Google. I was going through Facebook. I was going through everywhere trying to figure out, what are these people doing? How are they making all this money? I want to do it too, but found absolutely nothing. And then I figured it out. You got to pay. You got to pay. Now, what can you gain from online marketing? You can also duplicate what is being taught, because if they're teaching you a course, they're not just teaching you something all the time, just teaching you how to market, but it's duplicatable, because if they can do it, and if you've seen it's proven and you've seen that they made money off of it, you can do it too. And then what you do, you teach it to someone else, and you can duplicate it, and then they can duplicate you. But that's the best thing about online marketing and the digital marketing training courses that you will get, because you can duplicate what they do, and then someone else can duplicate you, and it's like a cycle. It keeps going, right? So will you make money after? Same as college, you got to put in some time and some effort. You got to be teachable. Are you teachable? You got to be able to sit there and pay attention and learn. And you have to just really, really learn what you're doing, okay? Because there are skills, there are tricks and everything, but you got to pay attention and learn. Can you put in the same work effort that the top earner did? Can you duplicate actually what they did to make money? Can you follow the steps step by step? That's something I had to also learn, because I found out I wasn't always teachable. And I was like, well, let me get on my ball game. I had to get my mindset ready. Is your mindset ready? I did listen to some motivational I watched motivational videos, but I actually just listened to them, putting my little earbuds in and just listen to them. And yes, I've been listening to them like 30 minutes a day. And it's all about refocusing and regaining your mind and getting your mind ready, because sometimes you don't believe you can make the money. You don't really believe in yourself as much as you think you do. But you have to train your mind to make that money, because believe you me, mindset is everything, and self reflection is everything. Is good, because you don't know what you've been taught, whatever, and you may think it's normal. You may think that whatever it is that you were learning from your family is, your family might have a broken mindset. They might tell you that it costs too much to do this, it costs too much to do that, and then you start thinking the same thing. You got $5 in your pocket. Oh, I'm broke. And that's the first thing come out your mouth. So you have to actually train yourself and get your mind ready, because you have to be able to receive the money as well as teach how to make money to somebody else. Okay. And let's see. What happened, y'all? All right. So what do you do when you get the training? Number one, I said it before, you pay attention. You pay attention. You write down notes. You apply those same tips and tricks to your marketing, because you're going to earn while you learn. You may have to rewatch or reread the training over and over again until you get the aha moment, the I got it moment. But you're going to have to do that. You're going to implement as you go. Okay. So will it happen overnight? Not all the time. Some success stories can happen overnight, but it depends on that person. It depends on what that person's background is too. Because just because you're new to something don't mean that you're totally new. You may already have an email list. You may already have a warm market. You might already have somebody that person may already have something lined up first, and then you watching them and like, oh, they made all that money already. Dang, what happened to me? Right? But you don't know their background, but it can happen overnight. Some people may not know anything, and then get that one person to say, I feel you, bro. I feel you, sis. And I'm going to go ahead and they get to sign up. It can happen. I mistyped again, y'all. Y'all see that? But anyway, no, you won't get rich overnight. If it's a get rich quick scheme, then it might not be so real, but you can make money overnight. Now, you cannot look at everybody's money or profits rather, and say, oh, they did it, I can do it too. You can do it too, but will it take time? Yeah, it's going to take some time. I wouldn't say just go ahead and do it now. And it's going to, like, I'm going to put this down. It's going to happen tomorrow. I'll make $10,000 tomorrow. Can you? Yeah, but guess what? You will have to invest. So even those people that do make $10,000, guess what? They invested more into that to bring in. There are trainings and there are programs where the cost can be $1,000, $2,000 to join. And guess what? If you got $2,000 in your pocket and you want to go ahead and put it in there, invest it, yeah, guess what? Your return can be the same as theirs. So it's going to cost some money. Everything is cost of money. You have to pay to play, y'all. You have to pay to play. Remember to apply and teach others. And again, earn as you learn. So these were some simple tips that I put together for those who want to know, is it real? Can you learn from online marketing? Do you have to pay for online marketing? Yeah, you do. Sorry to tell you that. But again, yep, if you really need the training and you really are ready to invest in the training, I've made videos about it. I have a great opportunity for you where you can learn and earn at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and put that link in the description, Easy1up, and it also comes with a bonus. Now you're going to have to invest. You got to spend some money. But if you join me at the Vertex Pro level or the Vertex Pro level for me, or Vertex Live, but it's $1,000 with the Vertex Pro and $2,000 for the Vertex Live. But you will get, not only will you get the whole package, the whole Easy1up package, which has like tons of videos in there, trainings in there, but you'll take your time, go through them, because some are short, some are lengthy, but you will go through those videos and learn how to market any product that you have, right? Then you'll get the bonus inner circle training. That's $997 that you don't have to pay for. You don't have to pay, you get it for free. You get the training and you learn, guess what? YouTube, where I'm at now, Facebook, and solo ads, you get tips and tricks on how to set up your campaigns. The training is awesome and you get it for free when you come in to Easy1up, okay? I didn't want to make this as a promotion video, but why not? You guys, you want it, come get it, right? And also, if you need leads, the two and two go together like sliced bread. The Easy1up and the lead gen secret go together. And I will also leave the link down there for my lead gen secrets, where you will get 100 to 200 leads a day, and also comes with bonuses. I will leave all of that in the description below. But until then, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell button that's going to pop up. Hit the little bell button. And I'm going to be bringing you videos every day. I hope you found value in this. I hope that, you learned something. And I know it was very quick and some short details, but I hope you actually paid attention and learned something today. I'm right here to teach. All right, until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and click those links down below to get the training and the email system so you can get started and start making your money. I won't say today, can't happen, but get the training first, okay? Talk to you guys later. Until next time.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I